everyone. I am on my way to Pune to get my bike serviced, get the oil changed, the details of which will be following. And it's early morning, around 6 a.m. The sun is yet to rise, but you can see the sky has lightened and it's slightly cold. It's going to be a good trip. My friend, the bike doctor, is the only one I trust to work on my bike. He's a very skilled and talented person. The bike is loaded up on a paddock stand, and we have removed the plastic cowling just before the petrol tank, and now we'll be removing the fuel tank so we can get to the airbox because the air filter also needs to be cleaned. So changing the oil is my target for today, and here we go. Immediately below the petrol tank you can get access to the air box and the air filter. We have to remove the air box cover. There are around 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, 5 screws, I don't know. So air filter पूर्ण भरून गेला, पूरा भर गया air filter, choked up with dust. Our bike was giving around 160 kilometers between tank refills. Once I cleaned it up, it gave me around 192 kilometers. बॉटम कवर निकालना पड़ेगा ऑयल चेंज करने के लिए. Removing the bottom cover, remove the oil. There are 2-3 screws. My friend does it best, so I'm just going to record it.
मध्ये घेतलं ना मग त्याचं क्वालिटी खूप चांगली आहे. कॉम्प्रेस वगैरे
Now the bottom cover has been removed. We have to loosen up the drain bolts, which will let us drain the oil. There are 2 of them. One is here, which you can see, and the other is in front, below the rectifier. The oil is spilling out after loosening the front drain bolt. You can keep a tray to collect the oil. You can see the position of the oil filter behind the rectifier, and we have to loosen up the rectifier, not remove it entirely, just loosen up the 2 bolts connecting it. And if we twist it out of the way, you can see the oil filter, and then you can remove it. I have installed a K&N oil filter along with the K&N air filter. It's the chrome is pretty much not worth it, so I'll be going back to an OE oil filter right now. Maybe I'll get a K&N one later. The OE oil filter is now primed with the oil. The O-ring is primed now, and we are going to install it back. The oil that is used is Fuchs 10W60, 5 liters for the bike. The correct procedure is to fill up around 2.5 liters of oil. Check with the dipstick, crank the engine, run it a few times so the oil is sucked up, so the crankcase becomes empty, and then you can fill up the rest. The air filter is just right, is installed into the air box now. Now that's dealt with, and the only thing remaining is to clean the bike, and once that's done, then I'm going to push on. Thanks for watching.